What's good everybody, this is SilentMode, artist and LEGO enthusiast, and this is an exclusive look at my display for the Reading Brick Show 2022. By the way, don't bother asking your favourite YouTubers why they chose to skip or ignore my display, you won't get an answer, doesn't matter though. So the concept behind my display at the Reading Brick Show was MODE Kart, and this is an idea that was inspired by old school games like the original Super Mario Kart and others such as Super Monaco GP that I grew up with. I was a 90s kid, so there were a lot of driving games at the time. And it was also a way of me using wheels, because wheels are things I don't normally use in creations. So it was an opportunity to make use of them, and also to kind of live vicariously through the figures, because I've never gone go-karting. But the simple premise is that it's a friendly tournament between the SilentMode family and some of their friends, just riding around, not really being overly competitive, just having fun. The design behind the MODE Karts was such that I tried to avoid using the standard vehicle base and wanted to create something authentic and bespoke. And I think it's worked out really well. And as I demonstrated a few times over the weekend, you can customize it with whatever colors you want. You can even use whatever drivers you want. And the figures inside these carts are 3D printed. That's going to be the subjects of another video in the near future. Also with my display, I added a few 3D printed models, which you'll see in this presentation. I also created a very basic starting grid so that the carts had somewhere to go, and it almost didn't work because the base plates kept curving up a little bit. I also put together a living room vignette which was heavily inspired by one of the Avengers Endgame sets, and I think of the LEGO builds it was one of the visitors' favourite things. One thing the visitors really liked as well was my 3D printed fish, which is 1000% the size of a regular LEGO fish. I've also created myself a nice little sculpture, a brand new sculpture of the MODE logo. So the visitors also liked the 3D printed go-karts, which is 300% of the regular size. Some people thought it looked like wood because it'd been painted and prepared, but it's definitely 3D printed as I demonstrated. But that's pretty much it. That is my display, the one that people wanted to keep a secret. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to see more of my creations in the near future. Thanks very much for playing along, and until next time, I encourage you all to do your thing.